Scarcity is not just about money, it is about how small you allow yourself to live. And when I learned that, everything in my life started expanding. I went from saying I can't afford it to asking myself, how can I make it happen? And guess what? Opportunities, ideas, and even money started showing up. In this video, I'm going to share three powerful secrets that changed my mindset from scarcity to abundance without working harder, without waiting for someday. And if you do this, your life will start feel bigger almost instantly. Here is what we are going to cover in this video. First, how to train your mind to spot opportunities. Second, how to stop letting your fear decide your moves. And third, how to build momentum so strong that you can't go back to scarcity even if you try to. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Sriram. I am a life coach and healer. If you are feeling stuck in any area of your life, I am here to help you. Just message me on the WhatsApp on the number given in the description, and here is the good news for you. Your first call with me is completely free. So message me right now. Now let's continue with the video. Years ago, I thought success came only when life handed you big opportunities. Then one morning, I met one person when I was traveling. We started talking, and he told me he had turned three of his random ideas into real businesses. I asked him, how do you keep finding these opportunities? He smiled and said, I don't find them, I just notice them. They are everywhere, but most people are not looking for. That one moment made me realize abundance is not rare. It is just hidden from people who don't train themselves to see it. Let's talk about our secret number one. Train your opportunity radar. Opportunities are literally everywhere, but you can't take what you can't see. Look around you. These successful businesses like Zomato, Ola, or Blinkit, the problem they are solving today were always there. The only difference is their founders were able to notice an opportunity in that and they worked on it. Now let's talk about secret number two. Move before you are ready. Fear pretends it's keeping you safe, but actually it is keeping you small. Make a rule. If something felt exciting but scary, just act within 24 hours. This one habit will triple the chances of good things finding you. Now let's talk about secret number three. Build micro wins daily. Momentum is the real abundance hack. Every day, finish at least one thing that will move you towards your vision. Even if it is tiny, those small wins will give you unbreakable confidence and will make you unstoppable. So here is your path out of scarcity. Spot the opportunities, act before fear talks you out of it, stack micro wins until the momentum takes over. Do this for a month and you will see why I say abundance is not something you chase. It is something you train yourself to see and step into. Here is the assignment for you. Can you list down three opportunities that you can notice right now? Comment below and tell me. And if you found this video mind-blowing, share it with a friend who needs this today. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your love and support.